Are you feeling stressed and looking for ways to relax? Welcome to our journey exploring hobbies that can help alleviate stress and promote relaxation. The importance of hobbies for mental health cannot be overstated. Stay tuned to discover the top 7 hobbies for stress reduction and relaxation. Starting with our first hobby, gardening. This pastime not only nurtures a deep connection with nature, but also provides a healthy dose of physical activity. Plus, the sense of accomplishment from watching your plants thrive is unparalleled. So, if you have a green thumb, gardening could be your stress buster. Our second hobby is cooking. Imagine yourself stirring a pot, your mind focused on the task at hand. It's an art form, a creative outlet that lets you experiment with flavors and textures, all while producing a delicious result. Cooking could be your perfect recipe for relaxation. Next on our list is painting. This hobby is a beautiful gateway to self-expression, helping you channel emotions onto canvas. It focuses the mind, acting as a creative meditation, and in turn, reduces stress. Unleash your inner Picasso for a stress-free life. Fourth on our list is reading. This timeless hobby can truly transport you to different worlds, offering a much-needed escape from the pressures of daily life. As you immerse yourself in compelling narratives, you'll find stress melting away. Dive into the pages of a good book to wave stress goodbye. Next up, we have knitting. This creative hobby can be quite meditative, allowing your mind to focus on the rhythmic motions. Completing a knitting project provides a sense of accomplishment, making it an effective stress reducer. Knit your way to relaxation. Our sixth hobby is yoga. A practice that blends physical movements with mindfulness, yoga fosters a connection between the body and mind. This alignment can lead to a sense of inner peace, making it an effective tool for stress reduction. Embrace the art of yoga for a peaceful mind. Last but not least, we have music. It's like a soothing balm for our minds, enveloping us in a world of melody and rhythm. Whether you're strumming a guitar or simply unwinding to your favorite tunes, music can be genuinely therapeutic. Tune into the rhythm of relaxation with music. And there you have it. We've journeyed through 7 wonderful hobbies, each offering its unique blend of stress reduction and relaxation. Remember, it's essential to find a hobby that resonates with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.